Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you my idea of a front door that I am working on for my gigantic dollhouse, the one that I bought at the community yard sale recently. Just about the time that I bought that house, I bumped into 4 doors at the Goodwill store. So these doors were joined together with screws. So what I did was I unscrewed everything, and now I have single doors to work with. So being that that dollhouse does not have any doors, I want to start with this one, which is the front door. So in order to make this the front door, this here that you see would be what you see from the inside of the house, and this would be from the outside of the house. So in this one being the outside of the house, I already have a handle that is going on here just like that. And I got this from a clamp that is used for gardens. I got these at the Dollar Tree, a whole bunch of those. So what I did was I kind of like took it apart and ended up with 2 handles. So now I have both of my handles inside and out. So right now we won't focus on the handle too much. This is the front, and then this will be the inside of the door. It's still the front door, but this is what you see from the inside. So it's like if you're looking out. So you're inside and you're looking out your door and you see a view. And I want to also create on the sides, I want to create 2 additional windows. And what I did was, with this one here, I still have to stick it to the cardboard. I took a piece of cardboard, 2 of them, and they're going to go right on the sides of the larger one. It's going to go like that. And then I cut out from a calendar that I have, I cut out the page, and I cut out the sections that would make it look like you're looking out the same door. Like everything is in front of that door on the other side. And also I meant to tell you, there's like a glossy look right there. That's a transparency paper that I used so it can look like glass. So I'm going to do the same thing with these so they could look like a glass window. And I have to place this on here, probably with double-sided tape, but this is what it's going to look from the inside. And then since the door is longer than those 2 pieces, what I plan to do is I have these labels from the Dollar Tree, and I selected the square one, this one. As you can see, I removed it from that one. So I got the same cardboard and I stuck it on there. So there's going to be that second one, and I'm going to place it right there. Then each one of those is going to go at the bottom, something like this. And in order to make the frame here, what I used was a metallic brown marker, and that's how I made the frames. So it really looks like some type of window next to the door. So the next time that you see the foyer, the entrance in the gigantic dollhouse that I'm working on, that's when you're going to see the finished door. Okay, so I hope that you like this idea, and thank you for watching.